2018 Honda Ridgeline Review. The 2018 Honda Ridgeline has a versatile bed, a smooth ride, and one of the nicest interiors in its class. Its well-rounded appeal results in the Ridgeline out nearly all other compact pickups. New for 2018. RTS trim eliminated. Pros and cons. Outstanding ride quality. Nicer cabin than rivals. Versatile bed. Lots of active safety features. Lower towing capacity than rivals. Frustrating infotainment system. More expensive than rivals. The 2018 Honda Ridgeline does things a little differently than most compact pickups. Its only available engine is a fuel-efficient V6. Most rivals have a 4-cylinder base engine and V6 options, and it comes standard with front-wheel drive. Others come with RWD. It also offers all-wheel drive instead of four-wheel drive. Despite these differences, the Ridgeline has the best ride quality in the class, above-average fuel economy, and quick acceleration. And while it has a lower towing capacity than rivals, it still has enough power to pull small recreational vehicles. It can also hold its own during light off-road driving. Many rivals have a 4-cylinder base engine, but the Ridgeline comes with a 3.5-liter V6 that puts out 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly. The Ridgeline's engine is energetic and provides good acceleration around town and on the highway. It also gets above-average fuel economy for a compact truck. Front-wheel drive models get an estimated 19 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. All-wheel drive models get about 1 mile per gallon less. The 2018 Honda Ridgeline features a nicer cabin than most compact trucks. It's well designed and uses plenty of soft-touch materials. It's also quiet, even at highway speeds. Both rows of seats are spacious and supportive, and there are plenty of available tech features, including more driver assistance options than rivals. The touchscreen infotainment system is a little unwieldy, however. The Ridgeline has one of the most useful beds in the class. It's wider than many rivals' beds, and it offers a number of uncommon features like an in-bed trunk, an in-bed audio system, and an in-bed power outlet. Unlike other compact pickup trucks, the Ridgeline only comes in a crew cab body style. It seats 5 and comes standard with cloth upholstery and a reconfigurable rear seat that lets you fold up the seat bottoms for extra storage space. Available features include leather upholstery, power-adjustable front seats, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. The Ridgeline has one of the most spacious cabins in the class. It's easy to find a suitable driving position, and forward visibility is outstanding. The front seats provide all-day support, keeping you comfortable on long drives. The rear seats also have ample space for adult passengers, even taller ones. That's uncommon in this class. There are 2 full sets of latch connectors for installing car seats. The system is generally easy to use once you locate the anchors. The lower anchors are set deep in the seat, and the tether anchors are hard to find. Standard features in the Ridgeline include a rear-view camera, push-button start, and a 7-speaker audio system with a USB port, Bluetooth, and a 5-inch center stack display screen. The Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance technologies is available as well. It includes collision mitigation braking, lane departure warning, forward collision warning, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and adaptive cruise control.